Are you looking for the best way to send money abroad? Today we're comparing TapTap, Send, and Remitly. Both are popular choices for international money transfers, but which one is right for you? TapTap Send and Remitly help you send money to friends and family in different countries. They both make it easy to transfer funds quickly and securely, but let's see how they differ. First, let's talk about TapTap Send. This service focuses on making transfers to Africa and Asia. It offers low fees and fast delivery times. Users appreciate its simple app, which is easy to navigate. You can send money directly to bank accounts or for cash pickup. Now, let's look at Remitly. This service is more global. It allows you to send money to many countries around the world. Remitly offers different delivery options like bank deposits and cash pickups. They also have a feature that lets you choose between economy and express transfers depending on how fast you need the money to arrive. The key differences between these two services lie in their reach and features. TapTap Send is great for specific regions, while Remitly covers a broader range of countries. TapTap Send usually has lower fees for transfers to its target areas, while Remitly offers more delivery options. When it comes to pricing, TapTap Send often has lower fees for certain regions. Remitly's fees can vary based on how fast you want the money to arrive. So, who should choose what? If you're sending money to Africa or Asia, TapTap Send might be your best bet. If you need to send funds to various countries with different options, Remitly could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money transfer tips.